Oh, hey there, you. It's been a long time. Oh my goodness, I was just going through your email. I am super excited to hear from you. Listen, heard you had started your new business. Congratulations, you are officially entering into the realm of entrepreneurship. What a great journey you're about to embark on, and I am super excited for you. But I was going through your email, and I gotta say, I'm a little concerned. I noticed that you said that you had purchased your domain name. I'm like a proud auntie over here. I am so proud of you. Listen, great job. And I noticed in your email that you said you've also gone and registered your LLC. All right, now you're really official. You're really taking this thing serious. I am super excited for you. But as I'm going through your email, I must admit, I'm looking at it here. I literally had to print it off because I was like, wow, she's really, really serious this time. So I'm looking at your email here and I'm a little concerned. As your friend and as your educator, I must tell you a major flaw that I noticed. And of course, I had to celebrate the things that you've already done. Seems to me you've done your research, which is a great thing to do first before you got started on your business. You got your domain name. That's great. You're working on building your website. Hello. That's great. You've done the LLC footwork that's needed in your state. Great. But it's what I didn't see that concerns me. I didn't see where you had registered for a trademark for your business name or your logo. I mean, I noticed that you have this name all over your social media accounts, which is great. You've locked that thing down. But I don't see a trademark. I mean, I went through the entire system for this name that you're promoting out there, but I don't see an official trademark. But I looked in your state, and it seems that you did file a trademark in your state, which is cool and all, but that only protects you in your state. And I know you're thinking, I'm good to go. I've done everything I needed to do. What are you talking about, Tien? I filed a trademark. Well, not exactly. You just protected yourself in that state. But serious business owners, they do more than just protect themselves in a state. They look for national protection. And my dear, you truly, although you've bought your domain and you've registered your business with your state and you've even filed the local trademark in your state, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but honestly, you don't own your brand. You see, any business professional that's worth their weight in gold would be honest with you, and they would tell you doing all those things are great first steps. And yes, I know you have invested hundreds to thousands of dollars into this brand you're building, but until you earn and have paid for and have that wonderful R beside your brand, you do not own it. See my R? I own that. And that's the move that serious business owners take by filing an official USPTO federal trademark, because that's when we tell the entire country, oh, I own this. Now I know what you're thinking, but Kim, I've been doing this for years. But Tien, I've been doing this for years. Educated Natural, you don't understand. I've built this thing from the ground up. Trust me, I get it. I'm with you. But without that federal trademark, you're still just like everyone else. You don't have that complete protection package that you need to protect that thing that you're building. Because you're going to mess around and out of nowhere, someone that has taken that extra step that you neglected to take, and they're going to approach you and possibly take what you've been building all of these years right from under you. And without that federal protection, you have no choice but to go through the entire hard rebranding process. So, what I'm basically telling you is, congrats on filing and paying for and purchasing that domain name. Congrats on researching the name to make sure that you own it. Congrats on going to your local state clerk of court's office and filing for that LLC, that S Corp, that C Corp, that nonprofit even. Congrats. However, even after doing all of those things, my dear, you do not officially own that thing that you are spending so much money on building. You do not own it. It looks great on your business card. It looks great on the back of your vehicle. It looks great on social media posts and in ads. Looks great. But you must ask yourself, how serious are you about this thing that you're building? How serious is that brand name to you? How serious are you about minding your business for real? Because honestly, right now, you're leasing that name. You're renting that name. You don't own it. Wouldn't it be great to own it officially and nobody in the entire United States can touch it? See, that, my friend, is a real entrepreneur. That is a real business professional. That's how you show big brands, hey, I'm coming up, so make way. Because just like big businesses that a lot of you wear on your backs and on your feet are protecting their name and their brands, don't think because you are a currently small person in this big wide ocean of business professionals that you too don't deserve that same level of protection, because I'm here to tell you, you certainly do. So let's stop playing these games and own the land in which we are building upon. So, curious as to how you can own what you've been building for real? Then you are in the right place. So, make sure you become a part of the family here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe here. Because the trainings and the news I am about to bring to you, the serious business professional, is going to be unmatched. And trust me, I'm going to be spilling a few beans that not even trademark attorneys are telling you. So, if you want to be in the know, if you want to know how to truly protect your intellectual property, join me, The Educated Natural, right here. And look no further, because baby, we have a lot of education to share with you. And our motto here is very simple and very direct. That while you are here on the Educated Natural channel, I make a vow unto you. And that vow is, I will never leave you uneducated. Can't do it. So stick with me, kid, and you will go far. And trust me, by the end of all of these things that I'm going to teach you, you will understand the value of intellectual property protection on a grander scale. Let's get it. Be blessed.